Hey everybody, as you know, starting a makeup YouTube channel, and this is my launch video. But anyways, you guys can send a request on Facebook, you can send a request to my Twitter, even Instagram me, and my Twitter is, I forgot what my Twitter is, hold on. My Twitter is _Slim Jim. That's _SLIM, capital G, capital E, capital M, and that's my Twitter. And I have two Instagrams. My first one is my name spelled backwards, except for like the I and A switched around, so it's DNOMIAD. And then the other one is 2_ love AHM. And you can request anything from there because, you know, I don't know what to put up yet. So, if you need any help with anything, you know, just request it and I'll try to make a video for it. And, subscribe, because that's what I'm here for you guys to do, to look, so you'll know what to do with your beautiful faces. But, anyways, yes, this is my launch video, and I hope you guys subscribe and enjoy my videos.